makita kang sagdalayan.
Cavite is a province in the Philippines, located in the Calabarzon region in Luzon. It is one of the most industrialized and fastest growing provinces in the Philippines. And the current mayor of Cavite City is Mayor Denver Christopher Archua. The famous person in Cavite is Mr. Julian Felipe, born in Cavite City, and is celebrated for composing the Philippine national anthem, the Lupang Hinirang. And there are tourist spots in Cavite. Number 1, the Corridor Island, also known for its historical significance during World War II. It's a popular day trip destination. With the Aguinaldo Shrine in Kawit, the ancestral home of Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippines. And lastly, the 13 Martyrs Monument, a tribute to the martyrs of Cavite executed during the Philippine Revolution, are notable tourist spots in Cavite City. And lastly, their famous product, a unique local delicacy from Cavite is bingkoy. A combination of puchi, sticky rice, and with mungo beans, served with a rich coconut cream sauce.
Puerto Princesa is a coastal city on Palawan Island in the western Philippines. It's a base for boat trips through the massive limestone caves and underground river of the biodiverse Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. Its most famous attraction, the Puerto Princesa Underground River, is a marvel of nature and a national treasure. Travelers and a nature enthusiasts want yet enough of its beautiful limestone cliffs, turquoise water, and majestic cave formation. It is one of the producer of the country's top export products like rice, banana, coconut, and papaya. The region is also the second top producer of fish and seaweed in the country. Mimaropa is one of the busiest regions in terms of tourism. Lucilo Byron is a Filipino politician. He is currently serving as mayor of Puerto Princesa City, the capital of Palawan province in the Mimaropa region, or region for the Philippines.
Lanao del Norte is a province in the Philippines situated in the northern Mindanao, Region X. Their tourist spots is the Tinago Falls. Tinago Falls is a falls on the Agus River located in between the town of Linamon and Diligan City. It is known as the City of Majestic Waterfalls. Their famous product is called palapa. Palapa is a sweet and spicy food. The ingredients are mixed together and cooked until somewhat dry. It is immediately stored in sealed jars after cooking. Their famous person is Alora Sasam. Alora Sasam was born on March 27, 1989 in Iligan City, Lanao del Norte, Philippines. She is an actress known for Ang Probinsyano Year 2015. And lastly, their governor. Their governor is Imelda de Maporo. She is a visionary, courageous yet compassionate leader.
Good day everyone. Northern Mindanao is an administrative region in the Philippines. It is also known Region X. The Cagayan de Oro City is one of the most celebrity like Mark Bautista. Mark Bautista is a Filipino singer, actor, and model. He gained recognition by joining a singing competition show called Star for a Night in 2003, where he achieved the second runner-up title. And the Cagayan River, also known as the Cagayan de Oro River, is one of the most draining the northern central part of the island of Mindanao in the Philippines. Calayan Island is located in the west-south of Baboyanes Island. Its name means where Laya Ganger is abounded. There are a lot of white sand and pebble beach, and also Benjan de Pastel is a famous product in the Cagayan de Oro. The owners of Benjan de Pastel are Virgilio Jose and Eleanor Popera. It is located at Tiano Montalban Street, Cagayan de Oro. It is perfect for snack. The mayor of Cagayan de Oro, Pilipino punong lungsod, Cagayan de Oro is Rolando A. Uy, the head of the local government of the city, who elected the 3-year terms. The mayor Rolando Uy is also the executive head and leads the city departments in executing the city ordinance and improving public service. The city mayor is restricted to 3 consecutive terms totaling 9 years. Although mayor can be elected again after an interruption of 1 term in Cagayan de Oro City.